Yo, what's up, guys? I hope everyone's doing okay. It's your boy Nats Trades here. Today I'm going to show you how I passed my second mock test in one session. So this is it right now, but let me just clean up the charts for you guys and I'll show you how I did it again. So I was just on the 1 hour just to get some information. What was price doing? It's just going bullish right now. I shot down to the 10 minutes to see how London did. London pumped up, took the liquidity of Tokyo, came over to here, and it just started to descend a bit from here. Then I shot down to the 5 minutes and I used my highlighter tool just to mark some highs and lows. I'm going to do this more quicker just to run through it really. And I shot down to the 1 minute from there. So with the 1 minute, I can do a more accurate reading with the highlighter. So now that I noticed price pushed down and had a change of character and a break of structure here. But the thing is, what I wanted to see is why did it get pushed down? So now I'm looking for evidence of why it got pushed down. So I found this. So I marked this off on the 5 minute as an actual supply that price reacted off and had a positive reaction, telling me that the sellers were in control. Now that I know, okay, it's been tapped, I'm looking for an entry. So I mark this off and I also mark this off. So I'm waiting for either of these two. If it breaks through here, then I'll get in here. If it breaks through that, then I'm done for the day. Now it's approached the time that I would get in. So I wouldn't even get in over here. Oh, and one more thing. Because it created a low here, I marked this off as a break of structure. However, I wasn't satisfied with an entry of this because it's too many pips. I go on to the 2 minute and I see this supply over here. Now this is such a big supply that I wouldn't even want to enter off it. So I was just hoping that it would tap me in. What did price do? Price respected the supply I was in. Let me get the highlighter tool again just to make the markings one more time. And we see that it broke down to here. And then I mark this off as another break of structure. And I mark this as an order block that I would like to enter off. Let me just clean up the chart real quick. There we go. That's looking a bit more cleaner now. So now I'm waiting for this entry. What happens? Price goes up to here and it doesn't tap me in. It's literally just a bit off it and it doesn't tap me in. I was like, oh my days, I am so annoyed. And then I mark this zone here. I'm hoping it works. I mark this off. I mark this off as another order block. What happens? Price keeps moving. I'm like, no way it left me. Some equal highs over here. Some very small equal highs over here. And I notice a little trend line forming over here. Now this makes my order block more valid. Is that fact there's a liquidity ready to be consumed to tap in and then make a move. I'm like, okay, this will probably hold more. But I was panicking here. Not panicking, but I was just like, damn it. Why is it not tapping me in? I got missed out almost like twice. It dodged my order blocks. I was so annoyed. Fortunately, it taps me in. It doesn't look like it, but it taps me in on MetaTrader at 4:35, an hour and a half after. It taps me in, and now that I know I'm tapped in, I'm looking for my exit. So I mark this London low over here. Now I just need to pass my exam, so I wasn't looking to hold all the way down to here. I was just looking to hold enough to pass the exam and then get out. Why am I going to hold for full TP when I'm just looking just to pass my exam, you know? And what happens? I didn't take my safety net of a 1 to 3. It starts coming back up. I'm like, damn it, maybe I should have, but you know, I'm going to stick firm on it. And it breaks structure again. I'm like, yes, lovely, it broke structure. I'm like, okay, this can work. This can work. And I remember where I got where I took out. I took out 11.5 RR. That was enough for me to pass my test. And what happened after that? It was a Friday. Liquidity was slowing down, so I didn't think it was even going to hit this. I have a lot of experience with Fridays. Trust me. And then it just went back up. But it was enough for me to pass my test. And that's how I passed my second mock test. Here are the results. But you can see I hit the TP that they wanted. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just so you know, I have a Discord community down below if you would like to join that. Think of it as a trader's lounge, just for amateur to professional traders or even complete newbies that just like to chill and talk about trading or talk about anything else really. Think of it as like a lounge. I'm not selling a course. I'm not pushing anything. It's just for traders that are passionate like me that would like to talk about trading. Or if you have any questions for me, please ask me in the Discord if you want to speak to me directly, or you can leave some comments down in the YouTube video below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's about to be a new week and I'm ready to do my third mock test.